Prime your pipette by rinsing it with water. Then rinse it with the solution. Do this by drying up the solution by placing the pipette into the solution and placing a bulb on top. Squeeze the bulb and slowly release. Remove the bulb. Place a finger quickly over the top and then remove pipette from the solution container. And then swash. Repeat this priming step 2 times for a total of 3 cycles. Start off by taking the mass of the empty beaker. Since our lab group had 4 people in it, our lab will consist of 4 trials. Our beaker mostly had a mass of 67.516. Take an appropriate amount from the solution. Then read at eye level. This is going to be your initial volume. Ours was 7.59. Then take out some into another beaker and read at eye level the final volume. Ours was 5.01. Subtract the two values to get the volume for the equation. Ours was 2.58 milliliters. Now get the mass of both the beaker and the liquid. Ours was 69.987 grams. The mass of the liquid is acquired by subtracting the both value by the mass of the beaker. Next, we repeated these steps for the other 3 lab partners. These are the values we got for trial 2, 3, and 4. Start off by taking the mass of the empty beaker. Then in the graduated cylinder, pour out the appropriate amount. Read at eye level and record this as the initial volume. In the beaker, pour out the appropriate amount. Then take the volume again. This is the final volume. Subtract the two values to get the volume. Take the mass of both the liquid and the beaker. To get the mass of the liquid, you need to subtract the both value by the beaker. Record this value. Repeat these steps for trials 2, 3, and 4. These are the values we got for trials 1, 2, 3, and 4. Begin by taking the appropriate amount from the stock solution. This will be your V1 value. In this lab, we were giving a 20% concentration of the solution. That's why we know that our concentration 1 is going to be a constant factor. Transfer the solution from the pipette into the appropriate glassware. Here we are adding water to the solution to reach a certain point. This will be our V2. You will use this formula to get the concentration of the new solution. Take the mass of both the liquid and the glassware. Repeat these steps for trials 2 and 3. These are the final values.